This tasty mug cake takes only pennies to make and only 90 seconds in the microwave. It's really easy. So follow me and see how it's done. Egg. Flour, 2 tablespoons of saturated flour, 2 good tablespoons I would say, 1, 2, in there. This chocolate unicorn spread, just to give it a sort of a strawberry flavour. And I'm going to put a spoonful of that in. It's an experiment. Stir this. Make sure all the pink stuff is mixed in. Lovely. And then add a handful of blueberries. Stir in. Make sure they're well stirred in, otherwise they are nicely dispersed. And then we're going to put it in the microwave. In the microwave we go. And we're going to go for 1. Wow. Lovely. Wow, lovely cake.